In this video, I will be showing you how to remove text from Image Canva. Let's get started. I'll start here on the Canva home screen, where I can see a variety of templates for any project. I'm going to select the Facebook post category to open up the design options. From here, I'll click on Create a blank Facebook post to start with a fresh, empty canvas. Once the editor opens, I'll head over to the search bar on the left panel. I want to find a photo that already has text in it, so I'll type in image with text to browse the library. I'll scroll through the photo results until I find a good example to work with. I found this image of a plate with wooden blocks, so I'll click to add it to my canvas. Now for the secret trick to removing that text. With the image selected, I'll click Edit in the top toolbar. This opens up the Magic Studio panel on the left. I'm going to click on the Grab Text tool. I'll wait just a few seconds while Canva analyzes the photo and identifies the text elements. You can see the purple highlights moving as it processes the image. Now that it's finished, the text has been converted into a separate, movable layer. I can now simply click on the text and drag it down away from the wooden blocks. The background is automatically filled in, making the blocks look completely blank as if the text was never there. It's a quick and seamless way to clean up any image for your designs. And that is how you use the Grab Text tool to effortlessly remove text from your images in Canva.